Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Ticpods free true wireless earbuds. Now you can pick these up from Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $130. Now they come in 3 different colors. You got lava, that's red, ice, that's white, and navy, that's blue. Alright, so let's check these out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes.
White shoes, calm
down.
down. All right, here we go. Ticpods free, $130. Now I went with the navy blue color. Let's go through the features. Now these are IPX5 dust and water resistant. So you can't submerge them, but if they get wet due to sweat or rain, you're good to go. You got in-ear detection. So no on and off switch. Once you put these in your ears, they automatically power on. Once you take them out, they automatically turn off. You got intuitive touch controls. You could press play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, activate your Google or your Siri, but most importantly, you can raise or lower the volume right from the earbuds. Voice assistant support, like I said, you got Google Now and Siri. You got your ambient noise cancellation and noise isolation. I will test that out. 18-hour battery life. Now that's 4 hours on one charge. Then you put them back in the case, charge them up 3.5 more times. Fast charging. 15 minutes worth of charge will give you 2 hours worth of playtime. And here's one of the dopest features that I look for in true wireless earbuds: core audio in both ears. Let's test that out. All right, Ticpods free. Let's grab a little unboxing night. Spider-Man still on deck. All right, yo, White Shoes, scoot before you get a free haircut. Right. Here we go. Now, all that dramatics, and I still got to peel it off. That was White Shoes' fault. I didn't want to cut one of those whiskers off. But it is what it is. All right, here we go. Ticpods free. First things first. Nice white box. Giggity. Simple presentation. Let's see how we open these up. Okay, now these scoot. These shoes is in rare form today. White Shoes, calm down. You see the rich hand? Calm down. Had to get military on you. Okay, navy blue. Now, whatever color you get, the charging case is going to be that color too. Let's see. First things first. Here's the charging case. Ticpods on the front. You got 2 LEDs. Okay, now this looks like micro USB charging slot. Let's open these up. Bang, there you go. Now, these are what we call the pencil style earbuds. So, of course, I got to compare them to the AirPods and the FreeBuds and the FreeBuds 2. See how they look? Okay. Look kind of like a set of AirPods, a little bit thicker. Now, I got to tell y'all a little secret. Don't tell nobody. But these are pencil style earbuds. They kind of starting to grow on me. I know you look like a douche wearing these, but I don't know. They kind of growing on me. I will check these out in a second. Let's see what else you get. Little lanyard. I was wondering what those holes on the side was for. Add your little carrying lanyard. I'll slap that in a minute. Let's see. This is actually a rubber strip. I better hold this down because White Shoes will eat that. Let's see. Anything else? I was about to say no charging cable. Y'all YouTube officers, stop typing. Little poison for the trolls. Let me pluck that. Save that for my next barbecue. And they got the cables in here nice and tight. Let's see what these are. Okay, you got another set of earbuds. Actually, ear tips. Okay, real small. It's another set of ear tips. And like I said, micro USB. Oh, is this USB? Wait a minute. What is this? What is this? Looks like it's... I could be. Now, I don't got my glasses on. Okay, this is what I thought. Here's USB-A. You got USB Type-C and micro USB. Now, that's pretty weird. Let's see. Let's see if USB Type-C works on this. No. All right, so maybe this is just in case you want to charge your phone or something. But to charge up the case, you're going to need the USB Type, the micro USB. All right, but this is a nice little cable right here. This way you can plug this into your car, charge up your phone, because modern day phones using USB Type-C, and charge up your earbuds using the micro USB. That's pretty much it. All right, Shoes. Let me give Shoes something to play with. Shoes, knock yourself out. All right, so let's do a quick size comparison. Here's your Ticpods. Ticpods. Like I said, I went with the navy blue. Let's see the difference in size. Now, I can't even put these on the table. Here's the FreeBuds. Okay. So let's do a little size comparison with the FreeBuds. I got to put this in my pocket. Shoes, you're killing me. All right, let me see. All right, here's the FreeBuds. And here's the Ticpods. So if you notice, the Ticpods are a lot thicker. So here's the thing. Now, you're going to look like a douche either way, but when they extra thin, looking like a pencil, they look a little more douchey. I think the thickness adds a little bit more style, a little bit more flavor. But either way, like I said, you're going to look like a fucking douche. All right, let's throw these back in here. Let's do a quick size comparison versus our favorite Apple AirPods. I know. Here's the AirPods, and here's the Ticpods. Okay, so the Ticpod is a little bit thicker, but it has that rubber, so these are going to feel nice and comfortable in your ears. And they're probably going to sound louder than the AirPods and the FreeBuds too, but I'll let y'all know. And just to keep it 100, here's the FreeBuds too. Now, these right here, this thick piece, I'm not really feeling that. Here's the Ticpods. Let me move my fat fingers out the way. Ticpods and the FreeBuds too. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to pair these up. We'll do a little sound test. We'll test out all of the features and see how they work. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. First things first, pairing up the earbuds. Real simple. Once you take the earbuds out, put them in your ears, they're automatically going to turn on. You're going to get a voice prompt. It's going to say Bluetooth pairing. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Ticpods free. All right, so let's slap them back in the ears and see if they automatically reconnect to the phone. Okay. Okay, just reconnected. Now let me show you what they look like. All right, so this is how they're going to look in your ears. Basically like a set of AirPods or a set of FreeBuds. Pretty douchey, but like I said, they're starting to grow on me. On a side note, don't act like you don't see them 22-inch pythons. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. All right, so I got some Notorious B.I.G. queued up, hypnotized, ready to go. Now, as far as the fit, nice and comfortable in my ears. They definitely lightweight. With those rubber tips, you can feel some noise isolation. Let me shake my head around. All right, they're not moving around. They're not wiggling. You can easily rock these to the gym. They're not going to fall out. All right, white shoes, you ready to go? Let's get hypnotized. Max volume. Here we go. Woo! Let's go, shoes. Ha! Sicker than your average. Papa twist, cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink Gators. My Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Damn right. If they head right. Biggie there at night. Papa been smooth since days are under rules. Never lose. Never choose to. Bruce Cruz who do something to us. Talk goes through us. Girls go to us. Wanna do us. Screw us. Who us? Yeah, Papa and Puff. Close like Starsky and Hutch, stick to clutch. May I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3, bang every MC easily. Let's go. His front and ain't saying nothing, so I just speak my peace, keep my peace. Cubans with the Jesus peace, with my peeps, pack it, asking who want it. You got it, nigga, flaunt it. The Brooklyn bullshit, we on it. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Woo! All right, now I'm gonna come close to the mic. Let me know if y'all hear these. Listen for leakage. Let me know in the comments, do y'all hear anything? And I just love your flashy way. Hold on, one more, y'all. White shoes, one more. Hoes in NY, Alter DKNY. Miami, DC, prefer Versace. All fanny hoes that wear Moschino. Every cutie with a booty, bought a coochie. Now here's the real dookie. Meaning who's really the y'all niggas ride dick. Big Floss push the 6 on the Lexus LS. All right, let me calm down. All right, let's try playing pause. Let's see if I can figure this out. Hold up. All right, double tap on the left. That skips to the next one. Double tap on the right. We skipping. I don't know if you can reverse tracks. Let's see if we can lower the volume. All right, I'm lowering the volume by sliding down. Sliding down on the earbud. Let's see if we can figure out pause. All right, well, I'll play with that in a second. All right, my bad, y'all. I was getting too hyped. It's Saturday. When I hear Biggie Smalls, I get hype. I'm sorry. All right. Sound quality on these, excellent. How would I rate these against the AirPods and the FreeBuds? These are blowing all three of those out of the water. All right, the bass on these was great. Not the loudest though. Let me try some different songs, but not the loudest in the world, but heavy on the bass. All right, heavy on the bass. For pencil style earbuds, these got the most bass that I heard yet. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video. Let me figure out the controls, and we'll talk about those in a minute. All right, so let me show y'all something real quick. Now I was back here getting ready to rage quit because I couldn't figure out the buttons, so I had to take it over to the website like a sucker and check this out. If you want to raise or lower the volume, swipe up and down on the left earbud. Now, if you want to activate your voice assistant, your Google or your Siri, long press on the right earbud. Now, if you want to skip songs, double tap on the earbuds. Automatic in-ear detection, and back to the volume. So basically, there's no play and pause, and there's no reverse tracks. Let's try that again. All right, so now let's try the controls out. I'm going to play the music. We're at max volume. Let's lower the volume. So I'm sliding down on the earbud. You see the volume is decreasing all the way down. Let's turn it back up. Up and down. All right, now let's skip to the next song. Double tap. There's the next song. Let's try it again. Okay, that works. Now let's try to activate the Siri. Long press. What's the weather for tomorrow? Now I can hear it in both ears. All right, so that's all your controls. All right, so now let's check the latency lag. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? All right, so we got the Sopranos on deck. Here we go. Okay. And I'm playing shortstop for the Mets. All right, so far now I can see it's a little delay. It's a little delay. Not bad though. How many White Castles did you have? He said I can smell them. All right, so let me say this. Minimum delay. There's definitely a noticeable delay, but it's not bad. I could easily watch a whole video like this. After a couple of seconds, you'll get used to it. Let me look at it a little bit more. The Chinaman joke. I have a Rinkin Continental. Yeah, like I said, I could easily watch a whole video like that. It's a noticeable delay, but you'll get used to it. Not a big deal. All right, so now let's test out the phone calls. All right, so now let's call a 24-hour diner and see what time they close. And on a side note, this is New York City. We got 1,000 24-hour diners. I don't keep calling and trolling the same one over and over. Here we go. Ticpods 2. Let's get max volume. Sound out of both ears. I like that. Oh, this is loud. Yes, hi. What time you guys close tonight? 24 hours. Thank you so much. All right, bye. Okay, for the phone calls, super loud. Now, let me take this out for a second. One thing I will say about any earbuds that have these rubber tips, definitely feel like you got noise isolation. Because I don't know if I'm talking extra loud, but once you put these on, everything around you gets quiet. So like I said before, that's a good thing and a bad thing. If you're somewhere and you need to hear your surroundings, you might not want the rubber tip versions. But if you're in the gym or you're in your crib listening to music, then you want them to be as loud as they are, as loud as they can. Or if you're on a flight, you want as much noise cancellation as possible. These definitely have noise isolation, without a doubt. All right, what else? All right, so one more thing I want to check out. Can you play music with just one earbud in? So what I mean by that is, if you want to walk around looking like the supreme douchebag, looking like a true scumbag with just one earbud in, can you do that and listen to your music? Let's find out. So I got just the right earbud in. I'm going to hit play. All right, the music is playing. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Music is playing. All right, so now I'm going to put the second one in. Take out the right earbud. So now I got the right earbud out. Music is playing out of just the left. Alright, so that's pretty dope. You can walk around playing music out of one earbud. Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Ticpods free a major go. Are they worth $130? And the answer is yes. Now, they sound way better than the AirPods, the FreeBuds, and the FreeBuds 2. So if you're looking for bass-heavy, pencil-style earbuds, these are the best ones I've tried yet. Now, they're IPX5, sweat and water resistant, so if you get caught in the rain, you're good to go. And like I said, perfect for the gym because of these little ear tips. They're not going to move around in your ears. They're not going to wiggle around. You get that nice fit, and it gives you that noise isolation feel. I like that. Battery life, 4 hours on a single charge. You got quick charge, and you can use the charging case to charge them up 3 more times. That's a go. Phone calls, nice and loud, crystal clear, and the best thing, you get sound out of both ears. One side note, the phone calls are super loud. You're going to have to turn it down. Now, most importantly, the sound. Like I said, these are the most bass-heavy, pencil style. Not out of all the earbuds, the Bose, the Jobbers, the Sonys. They still hitting harder with the bass. But if you're looking for this pencil style, the douchebag look, these have the most bass. Now, there's a couple of things that I could gripe about. They're not the loudest in the world. I wish they was a little bit louder when you listen to the music. Now, I tried a bunch of different songs. They still wasn't the loudest in the world, but I'm not going to complain because they're way louder than all 3 of these. All right, all 3 of these, the Ticpods are definitely way louder. Now, again, if I was going to gripe, color choices, they should have had black. Now, the red looked nice, the white looked nice. I got the blue because that's closest to black and most discreet looking colors, but they should have had black. I don't know why they didn't do that. Also, I wish they would have had USB Type-C charging. That would have put the icing on the cake, but it is what it is. Like I said, for $130, I'm not going to complain. These are major go. So the bottom line, all right, if you want to look like a douchebag with these Apple-style earphones, earbuds, y'all know what I'm talking about. If you want that pencil look, so far, these are the best ones that I tried out yet. Anyway, these are the Ticpods free. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Zulu Audio wearable Bluetooth speakers.